Well, who doesn't want a beautiful, younger looking skin? Taking care of your skin is more important than covering up. Good skincare is more important for the following reasons. It helps your skin stay in good condition. You are shedding skin cells throughout the day, so it's more important to keep your skin glowing and in good condition. An effective routine can help prevent acne, treat wrinkles, and help keep your skin looking its best. But worried about those ingredients in your skincare products whose names you can't even pronounce? Me too, of course. So I decided to learn how to make skincare products by Artisan Natural Skincare. That I'll tell you a short story about myself. I've been struggling for 38 years, finding my path. There are times I was so down, feeling fragile, unloved, rejected, and most especially broke. And I ended up blaming people around me, and especially God. I feel unblessed, but if I look backward, actually I was so blessed. My family supports me so much, especially my mom and my sister, but I wasted it. I didn't see the worth until I feel alone in my life. Well, that's just the part of me that I want to leave behind. From now on, I will look forward how to redeem what I've lost. So follow me on my journey to discovering KEJ. Please do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Only. Yeah, hey, what's up world? Kalimera Jasmine here, and today I'm gonna make some products. We are having a tutorial here with Madam Sharifa Aisha. So if you want to learn how to formulate a product, you can reach them by their Instagram account. Yeah, so you can, spend some of your money for your own self if you want to learn. So I'm here. We have this all stuff here. Wow. And the room is aircon, is very clean. So let's go. This is Madam
Hello.
Madam Aisha. Okay, so she will be teaching me how to formulate a product. But so sorry, cannot share. But if you want to know, you can come down here. You can follow them by
our Instagram
account. Okay,
Facebook
Madam,
account.
you can tell
Facebook
them
page.
about your Facebook page and
Yeah,
Instagram.
hi. I have a Facebook page. You can check. I have website also actually, but sorry, it's a little backdated. So best to check the Facebook page, Palis, or Instagram.
Okay,
Palis.
so I'm just gonna put the link down below so you can follow.
Yes.
And if you want to, then you can contact Madam for that. Okay.
Okay. I can introduce you all the equipment. So after you put, you don't create it before I show you how you're not using the Facebook or on the. It's okay to use the same machine. All mixed together. So now the water is beginning to boil. Okay, that's nice. That's good, that's good.
So the water is already boiling.
Yes.
Is it one direction only? So I'll just
So this is the process of the cleansing balm, yeah. So now we pour into the packaging. Let it set. Okay. Yeah. So just leave it.
so fun to learn. Come and learn. trying to
Yeah.
la 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 la.
Maybe about
La 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 la.
1 minute of mixing.
1 minute.
So everything is mixed well.
Okay, so this is my comber. And after you cleanse your face, you can use comber. So here it is. You have to shake to the left and shake to the right. Diba? Busy-busy sila kapag hot. Enjoy lang. So, this is it. I will rise and shine. Oh, it smells good.
Nice, right? Because it was maybe in November. So, very nice smell.
Sarap inumin. It smells good. Madam, you will also be in my YouTube channel.
Okay, within all the stuff,
Yeah.
then you just put.
Okay. Shake to the left and shake to the right. Shake right.
I remember it's more for
So just patiently mix it. Okay, be
just like
patient.
oil. So we have to use oil.
If you want to be beautiful, you have to be patient of taking care of your skin. So tagal pa natin. And then please higa-higain. Hey, look at this! What a pot! And then close. Yeah. So we are ready to be beautiful. Artisanal natural skincare.
Artisanal.
Yeah, what is artisanal?
Means you make by hand yourself.
Oh, artisanal
You
means
cannot call your product artisanal if it's made by a
Machine?
mass production machine. So this is artisanal. It's
artisanal
handmade.
natural
Yeah.
skincare means it was
You make
made
yourself.
by your hands with a heart to the big. Okay, can.
You want to say you can do Saturday. Since Sunday I don't do.
Because I said I cannot go out.
Okay, so now how do you use your toner? Please, yeah, you say. Yes, cotton wool. You
Apply with
squirt,
cotton
yeah.
wool and sweep over
And
your
sweat,
face.
and you remove your
And
makeup.
net.
Even the eye makeup, yeah. So this is very mild. You can use eye makeup. So this is from normal to oily skin. And I give you 2 more of the formula, right? Yeah. For oily combination. Okay, so we got 2 more products. Correct? What are the next 2 products? You want to do the oil first or?
So here it is. Oh, so cute. I'm so excited to try this product on my face. So as you can see, I put some, some makeup. So later when I come back home, I'm gonna try my balm, so the cleanse, and my toner. And actually, I'm shivering. Diba? Ang ingay ko, no? Wala sila dyan. Basta ako nag-vlog ako. Ang ingay ko. Anong pakialam nila, ha? Depending on face size from the container and mix with liquid of your choice to activate the mask. Mix enough to make a thick paste. Oh, I have aloe vera at home, so I can put some aloe vera with this. Plain masks. So I don't have to worry about this because these are all natural ingredients. So, okay lang. Yay, we are done! And in. It's so much fun.
So you know how to use this mask, yeah? This clay
Yes,
mask.
must mix
You
with
add, you make it into a paste.
your water.
You can use
Choice.
honey, yogurt, water, aloe vera, hydrosol, or just water.
Just
Milk.
water.
So it's your choice. What you're comfortable with, and you can, like I said, you can actually try and error. You can today use honey, the next day you see what you like most.
It depends on your mood, okay?
Yeah.
If your mood is like, so sweet, so you can try honey. So if your mood, like, like you want to be, your mood is hot, so you can mix it with aloe vera. It's more cooling. Yeah. So that's it.
Oh yeah, it's here.
If your mood, like you cannot sleep, you can put it with milk. Oh, diba? You can start using anti-aging products.
As early as 25.
Yeah, as early
you don't
as
wait until your skin
25.
age, then you use.
If you have a lot of stress, worries, and even depressions and whatever, so just use anti-aging products so that you won't become looking old, And always wear a smile.
Yeah, you are. Jangan tutik or
Ang dami kong itchy dito, tapos yung kasama ko nakatapos na, tapos ako hindi pa. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So,
So, how is it? Now you must.
so
How you
fun,
feel about
and I
making your
learned.
own?
You see?
Easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy, right?
Yes,
Very
I go
easy.
back Philippines. I can make
Yes.
some of this, okay? So I can learn and learn and learn and more. So I have to go back again.
Yeah, so it's a 2-hour workshop, so it's not very long. Yeah, you can see that actually we started less than 2 hours, right? And you can make so many products. And the method, as of today, you learn 4 methods. Correct? If you can recap, one is a balm, which you use a double boiler, and then we do the toner. The toner is a water-based product, and oil, and last is the clay mask. It's a dry mask. We also have gel mask. I have gel mask also. That one in the healing, I think it's the acne soother. Not really. You wash off also. It's not as the kind of hard. No. It's wash off, but it's gel like. This one is dry. The 4 products within what? Just a little over an hour.
Yeah.
After the workshop is 2 hours.
So we have
theory.
how many products did we make? 4 products.
And 4 different methods.
Yes.
So you
So
learn 4 different methods.
I learned. So how can you say about our workshop? Did you enjoy it very much?
Definitely for beginner like us, we
Yes.
just got a lot of tips from Madam Aisha.
Yes, we can be beautiful. So that's
All natural.
it. Yes, all natural.
Yes.
So I will leave the link below so that you will be
contact
you
me.
can
Yeah.
contact. Okay. So that's it, mga palangga. So always remember, have a great day every day regardless of the circumstances. See you next video. Bye.